ko na-close yung vlog kagabi kasi nakakatulog ako ng maaga kagabi, guys. And eto na yung breakfast nila. And si Holly ang nagpresenta na siya ang gagawin ng breakfast nila. So, cornflakes and milk with sugar. Which one is yours, love?
The green one.
This one? The green one. Ah, is it done?
No, it's not done.
Oh, it's not done? Oh, siya kasi nag-prepare.
But I gotta remember what they want. So
Ah, okay.
cups.
Alright.
I want the milk.
You want milk?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll bring
Okay. Yan, ito yung kanyang, may plastic tayo
this
dito.
cup.
Here. I put it here.
Found this cup on the floor.
Ah, okay. Thank you, love.
We're gonna have that one.
Alright, get milk for Rylan. Yes. Balik ko na to dito kasi.
Hunter. Hunter.
Tapos na yan. Hanta! What do you want? What drink do you want? Milk. Okay. Milk daw?
Yeah. No, not just that.
Just a half.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, just half.
That's not milk.
That's right. That's enough, Baba, for Rylan.
Hunter, I'll buy this for you.
Eh, nagnapi pa pala siya pag gabi, oh. Nagnapi siya for gabi lang. Pang gabi lang naman siya nagnanapi.
That's all.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Serve it to Rylan. Okay, thank you.
Rylan, you can grab yours.
Okay, I give it to Ry. Here you go, love.
Put these away.
Okay, I will, Baba. Okay,
And
thank.
mine.
Yung dalawang boys, ayaw naman eh. Yung isa lang, tatlo lang. Okay. Do you wanna sit there, love, or you wanna go on that
Mine
table?
is too heavy for me.
Okay, ako na.
You were in the game before me.
And si Rylan naka-iPad na. And kagabi pala, nag-Doritos din. So, yes, love?
I put this on.
Okay, good job. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, maglagay siya nito lagi para sa lips niya. Kasi dry na dry yung lips niya. Yung upper lips.
Getting better.
Yeah, let me see. Let me check. Yeah. So, put that all the time, okay? Breakfast na sila with the iPad and yung dalawa naglaro na ng PS. Holiday. Holiday. Nakaligo na pala ako, guys. And hugasan ko na yung mga pinagkainan nila. Today pala is Wednesday, December 21. And sabi ko sa mga bata, i-off na nila yung kanilang mga yung iPad, tapos yung TV para lumabas at maglaro sa labas kasi maganda yung weather. So, maghugas muna ako. Ano pa lang, guys? 9:25. Pumasok na sila, guys, kasi mukhang uulan. And sabi ko kay Sak, tulungan niya ako. Magbabacuum ako. So, winawagwag niya yung, winawagwag. Sinishake niya yung carpet. And yung mga boys, si Kuya, tsaka si Hunter. Is it good?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Si Sak, tsaka si Kuya, at si Rylan, pinipik nila yung mga balls sa labas, ha?
These ones are good, but these ones...
The guacamole. This?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's not bad, but like, I like the mozzarella.
Oh. Pick up. Ito yung bagong Doritos, guys. Meron siyang guacamole and salsa. It's not mozzarella. Salsa?
No,
Salsa.
No, that's salsa, but that's...
Guacamole, not mozzarella. Nice. Ang gulo ng buhok ko. Nakapaghugas na ako, magva-vacuum na lang. Yung mga bata, dito. Tumigil yung yung ulan. Umulan kanina. Yung parang nag-drizzle lang or turutagiti sa Bicol. Ay! Careful! Nagki-cricket sila. And si Rylan at saka si Holly nasa trampoline. Sak, don't hit me, ha? Cricket sila. Maano nga yung cloudy. Tapos mahangin. Medyo malamig yung yung hangin. Summer na yan dito, guys. And si Jam pala, ang pinaggagawa ni Jam today. Ayan yung luma niyang dinghy. Nililinis niya. Yeah, I know. But it looks like brand new kasi... Yeah, it looks like brand new. Look how clean it is. Oh my God. Ano nung ginawa dito ni Jan? Mayroon siyang ginamit na... nakalimutan ko, guys. May ginamit si Jan na in-spray niya na maging ganyan ang kanyang kalabasan, yung parang makintab. Kasi yan yung luma ni Jan na dinggi. Ibibenta niya yan kasi di ba may bago siya ngayon. Mas malaki. So yan, nililinis yan ni Jan. Hindi pa siya tapos, pinick up niya lang si Bryce. Tumawag si Bryce nasa Mount. Pipick upin lang ni Jan kasi may service ata yung car niya. Ayun pa yung post, tapos ayan yung mga cords. Yan, hindi pa siya tapos dyan. Mahangin. What are you doing there? How come the ball get there? Stop! What are you doing? What ball? The cricket ball. Oh, it's raining now. Si Isak ang taga-kuha ng bola nila. Ah, okay. Mag-vacuum na ako, ha? Where are you, Zach? Hi, careful.
Like jump down or just
No, just
take the bin?
take the bin, yeah.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No. Yeah, you look. Okay.
Yes! That's your button. Make sure they're out.
Umuulan na. It's raining na, boys. Okay, mag-vacuum muna ako. Alam ko na kasi mamay. Ay! Okay, it's raining. Mag-vacuum na muna ako kasi mamaya-maya papasok ng mga to. Dito na pala sila sa loob. And tapos na tayo mag-list. Tinulungan ako ni Kuya and ni Sak magbuhat ng mga upuan dito sa dining.
5 more days till Christmas.
4.
What, 5?
It's 20.
the 20th.
21st today.
Yeah, 20th is it?
Yeah.
Yes, the 21st. It's the 21st. First today.
Yeah,
My
so
birthday was on Monday and that was the 19th.
that's right. Oh, birthday ni Hunter nung 19th. And nag-vacuum din ako dito sa ating tindahan. So, ayan, malinis na malinis. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan tayo mag-live. Baka bukas, try ko. We'll see. Pero yan, malinis na rin yung carpet. Sobrang linis kasi vinacuum ko siya twice. And si Kuya naglalaro dyan. Sabi ko, wag muna i-on yung PS. Mag-usap-usap muna sila. Si Rylan at si Holly nandun sa kwarto. Ayan yung dalawa, naka-iPad. Dito sila. Naglinis din dito si Kuya at si Zach. And ako, ano pa lang, 10:20, 10:25. Mag-edit muna ako. So, mag-edit muna ako. And sila, andun silang tatlo. Sabi ko, later na nila buksan yung PS nila. Okay, mag-edit muna tayo, guys. Guys, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog. 6 o'clock na and naka-alis na sila. Hunter siya kasi Ryan. Pinick up na sila ni Dad. And eto pala yung dinner namin. Pizza and garlic bread. So, yan. Siguro pagpatuloy ko na lang yung vlog bukas, guys. Kasi wala naman masyadong ganap today and umuulan.
Have they got smaller?
Yeah, I think so, babe. It's like solo. Happy Thursday, guys. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, i-continue ko yung vlog today. Today is December 22. Ilang tulog na lang. And rinafop ni Dad si Hunter. Diba umuwi na sila kagabi, kahapon. Pinick up sila ni Dad. And today, rinafop sila dito para maglaro. Kasi mamaya pipick upin sila ni Auntie Mel. Doon naman sila matutulog kila Auntie Mel mamaya. Kasi bukas uwi na sila sa Adelaide. So, and si Holly, say good morning.
Good morning!
Nakaligo na pala ako, guys. And, yeah, so maglalaro lang sila today dito. Then, mamaya si Auntie will pipick upin sila. And doon sila matutulog. Kagabi kila lolo nila. So, yeah, kasi hindi sila mag-spend ng Christmas sa amin. So, maghugas muna ako ng mga pinagkainan. Ayun, hugasan ko, guys. Tada! Punta natin si Johnny Boy. Dito siya sa labas. So, ayan yung bagong dinghy ni Johnny Boy. Is it ready? Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm going to take it right running a minute.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm bringing it yet.
Oh. Itatry niya na daw ito mamaya. Hindi siya nag-fishing today kasi super busy niya dito. And eto yung lumang dinghy. Acid hand? You use acid here? Yeah, acid pala yung ginamit niya dito para malinis siya ng bongga. Kaya para siyang parang bagong linis. Hindi kasi compare before, sobrang ano niya, parang itim. Ngayon, halos magkapareho lang sila, oh. Pero ito mas bago to. So, yan yung pinagkakabisihan ni Mr. for how many days.
Okay, mate, there you go. Yeah, get on there.
Mag-sleeping
Pack it all up, so we don't go when you finish.
mag-sleeping slide ulit sila.
Got to use all that clothes out there.
Malaki na. Ayan. How many people can fit here, Han? 6 people.
So, max 6.
Maximum 6. How about the other one? Yeah, maximum of 6 people daw dito. Unlucky. Compare dun sa isa niya. Busy siya.
Hi guys.
Look, this camera!
Hi guys.
Hi guys, where you going?
Some vlog.
Sleeping slide! Okay, see ya!
Bye.
Ayan yung mga bata. Again and again. Sleeping slide. Improvised na sleeping slide. Ayun yung tatlo sa trampoline. Kanina pa sila dito. Aren't you cold? Oh. Malamig yung hangin, oh. Ay, careful, careful, careful. Ah, malamig ang hangin. Tapos na sila, guys, and pumunta sila sa shop.
Put the Mentos in the Coke.
Why?
It's gonna explode.
No.
Yes! Outside.
No. Kumain na pala sila ng mocha dog on the way daw dito. You're gonna waste it. You're just gonna waste it, Isak. Ay, no, 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 no. Ay, nako, ayun si Sak. Sak, you waste it. Hi, what you got? Ayan si Kuya. Ayan yung mocha dog ni Kuya. Let me see yung mocha dog, Kuya. Ayan yung lunch nila. And may ice cream sila. Hala, sinishake nila yung coke tas nilagyan ng Mentos. You don't do that. No, no. That's it. That's it. That's enough. Drink it now, please. Don't waste it. Itong pinsan nila, ano din to. No! No, 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 no. You're gonna waste it, no. Give it back to Holly. Holly, drink it. Don't open it yet. Because it's gonna explode, Holly. Hey, what you got? What you got?
I didn't get ice cream.
Yeah. Yeah, you got. What did you get? What you got? What you got in the shop?
Too bad.
Alas 4 na, guys, and yung mga bata nasa labas pa, and may dumating na friend si Jan. Si Logan, yung bibili ng isang dinghy yung luma ni Jan. And dito siya, nagpapagawa pala si Jan ng mango shake. So yung mga bata nasa labas, and nandito rin yung anak ni Logan. So nandun sila sa labas naglalaro. Gawa ko muna siya ng mango juice kasi mainit daw. Pero kung nilalamig daw sa labas, yung buko, hindi ko siya blinower, guys. Parang straight. Saan na si Johnny ito? Ayan na yung ice. Thank you. Ayan yung ice niya. Gawan ko muna siya. So, ito na yung mango shake ni Jan tsaka ni Logan. So, ilabas ko lang to. Hindi ko kayo madadala kasi dalawa lang ang kamay natin. Okay? Nagluluto na pala ako ng dinner namin. Ito yung Baguio beans with pork. Favorite nila to. Kasi may toyo. And si Hunter tsaka si Rylan kinuha na ni Auntie Mel. Kani-kanina lang. And ayan kay Jan. Mashed potato. So, ito yung dinner namin. And yung rice, niluluto ko na rin. So, ito na yung food ng mga bata. Pakainin ko na sila. Yung kay Jan na lang yung niluluto ko. Ayan na yung kanilang food. Ayan, this is yours, Kuya. Oh, you can get more. You're welcome. Your favorite.
This is my favorite toy.
Wow, lahat naman favorite niyo. So, eto na yung food ng mga bata. Pakainin ko na sila. Yung kaya na lang yung niluluto ko. Ayan na yung kanilang food.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.